Look at the houses on the hills. O, diba guys? Kita niyo yun? Diba? Something unique. Mas maganda sa area ng La Trinidad mas may mga kulay. Naka-zoom lang yan guys. Medyo malayo sa akin, pero naka-zoom lang yan. Just to show you, hopefully clear siya. Guys, tignan mo naman guys. Something you can only see in Baguio. Ito yun guys, ito yun. Yung iba dyan malalaki pa, not just a simple house sa bundok.